psycho juice. Hi everyone, Dan Toombs, the Curry Guy here, and today I'm making another one for my new book, the Curry Guy BBQ. And this is my chicken mac burger. Has a bit of history. My wife Caroline and I were over in Kerala, and we decided to go out to McDonald's one day. I don't really know why. I think we just kind of wanted to test it and see what it was like. And they of course don't sell beef burgers in India, so we decided to try Maharaja mac, which is made with chicken, and it's deep fried chicken. So over the years, over the last couple of years, I've kind of played with the recipe. I've come up, I think I got it really close to the way it tasted over there. It was quite, surprisingly good. And but now I've decided to kind of make it into a barbecue dish, and it's one that I make quite often for friends, and it really is good. So you've got to give this one a try. To start out, I need to make the sauce, and the sauce in the recipe calls for hot sauce. And today I'm going to be using some of this psycho juice. It's ghost pepper psycho juice. It's going to be spicy, so use the one you like, but if you like a spicy burger, this is going to get you exactly that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start by just mixing up all the sauce ingredients first before putting it over there on the Thoros barbecue, and we're just going to whip this up really quickly. So we're just going to finally chop some pickled jalapeños, just like you get at any supermarket these days. Get those nice and small. I've got quite a few, I need to grab them, about 15 or so there. I'm just gonna finally chop those. So this is the burger sauce, the secret sauce. And it's gonna be good. I'm just gonna put that in that bowl there. Okay. All right, with the chilies all finely chopped and all, we're gonna go ahead and get this started. So first up is some mayonnaise, and I got about 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise here. I'm just gonna add that to the bowl. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of mustard. I got about 2 tablespoons here of ketchup. What can I get? And I've also got about 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar. Just add that to there and start stirring it all up. It's looking like burger sauce. And now that special ingredient, we're putting in some ghost pepper chili sauce. This is going to be spicy. Now in the book it calls for 2 tablespoons of something like Frank's or something like that, just something quite mild. I've put about a half a teaspoon in this because I know how much it's going to burn. Wow. That's going to be so nice with the bread and the chicken. It is spicy though. So let's get over and start cooking the burgers. Now, first of all, before I do that, I'm only cooking one right now because I wanted to demonstrate the recipe. So I've got a couple of chicken balls. This is just minced chicken. You can pick up at pretty much any grocery store. And what I did is I put about 500 grams originally of minced chicken in a food processor, and to that I added a couple tablespoons of beef dripping, so just melted beef dripping. And what that does, it's kind of a little something they do over in India a lot with mutton dripping or just some kind of a fat. Chicken can be quite dry, so if you add a little bit of dripping to it, you're going to find that it's a lot juicier. So that's what we've done here, and let's go take it over to and smash them down. I'm just gonna throw these chicken balls on there, and we're just going to press them down slightly. Let's make them a nice flat burger. Now I'm going to add a little bit of butter. That should sizzle up nicely. And I'm going to start cooking a bun. So we got the middle bun, the bottom part of one bun, and then a full bun. We're just gonna toast those up so it's nice and toasty. It's gonna be delicious. In the meantime, I wanna go ahead and I wanna add a little bit of salt and pepper to these. I could have added that earlier, so I'm adding it now. And we'll go ahead and put that over. I'm not sure if you can see this, but these are going to be really juicy because of all that beef fat. It's not going to be a dry chicken burger. One thing I hate is a dry chicken burger. Okay, so let's just finish this thing off. I'm going to put loads. I'm not skimping on the sauce. Lots of nice sauce there. Spread it around a bit. To that, each side, so this is the middle bun here. We're going to put a little bit of lettuce on there. And we're going to put a little bit of lettuce on the bottom bun as well. But then each gets a nice slice of tomato and some onion, red onion here. We got some chilies here as well. So we're going to put some jalapeno chilies on each side. Oh, this is going to be so good. A little bit of plastic cheese. Sometimes plastic cheese just has to be the one you use. I'm going to put that on the bottom. And those burgers over there, they are sizzling away and ready. Let's go. Put one right in there. And another there. Now, I'm going to take the middle bun, put it on top of the bottom bun, and then this crispy, beautiful top bun, lots of toasted butter bun. Ah, that looks incredible. I can hardly wait to get my teeth into this. Look at that. Let's give this monster burger a try. The recipe is right here. You are gonna love this one. Now time to make some more. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this. I really love this recipe, so please give it a try. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I have new videos coming out, and I've got a lot of them on the way. Thank you very much.